With an aim to boost socio-economic growth, enhance job opportunities and promote trade and commerce, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Haryana today. The Prime Minister will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of 112 national highway projects spread across the country worth about 1 lakh crore rupees. Prime Minister will also inaugurate the Haryana section of the landmark Dwarka Expressway. 39 other projects worth 32,700 crores in different states across the country will also be inaugurated. These projects will significantly contribute towards the growth of the national highway network. All right, to spell out more details, our correspondent Dibendu Mondal is joining us. Dibendu, we've just given a broad outline of the Prime Minister's program in Haryana today. Let us get more details from you. How far will it give more thrust to infrastructure in the region?
Is inaugurating over 112 highway projects across the country this afternoon. One of the key projects that the Prime Minister will inaugurate is the Dwarka Expressway, the 19-kilometer long section of the Dwarka Expressway, which will perhaps give a major connectivity boost to the residents of not just Delhi, but also the neighboring states across Delhi. Just yesterday, I was listening to the highway, the road transport minister, Nitin Gadkari, who said that, the Dwarka Expressway will be connecting with the Eastern Peripheral Expressway and the Western Peripheral Expressway, which will, reduce traffic loads on the roads of Delhi, therefore giving much relief to the people of Delhi who are commuting to Gurgaon, or for that matter to Rajasthan and Jaipur. Why? Because this Dwarka Expressway will be connected to the Eastern Peripheral Expressway, from which people traveling from Punjab and Haryana can directly get into the Mumbai Expressway, which connects Rajasthan and then to Surat and then further down to Mumbai. So, this is a much needed, a long-awaited project, which will finally be inaugurated today by the Prime Minister. Not just this, Preeti, the urban extension road, which is the part 2 of the it's being known as UER project part 2. This will also give further boost to the connectivity, ease of, transportation to the people of Delhi and the neighboring states of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, and Rajasthan, because these the trucks or the transportation vehicles will not have to enter Delhi and will directly have access to the other states via the Dwarka Expressway. Of course, this will also reduce loads on the road to the airport, and people who are familiar with Delhi would also know that Dhaula Kuan region receives a huge traffic during the morning and evening rush hours. So that traffic load will also be reduced. So therefore, this particular project which the Prime Minister will be inaugurating in the National Capital Region, which is in Haryana today, will give much relief to the traffic loads in this part of the country. Not just this, Preeti, the Prime Minister will also be inaugurating several other projects. If you allow me to read out some of them, it will be, the Prime Minister will also have built 4,100 crore off the Delhi-Haryana border to Basai Railway Overbridge. And this is an 8.7 kilometer long road which will connect to Manesar's Daula toll. The Prime Minister will also inaugurate projects in the Vijayawada Expressway, which will connect Bengaluru, Kadapa and Vijayawada Expressway. He will also be inaugurating projects in Andhra Pradesh, in Ambala, in Karnataka, and several other places across the nation this afternoon, which is worth 1 lakh crores. So, this perhaps is the Prime Minister's vision of developed India by 2047, and this and all these projects, which will be either inaugurated or foundation stones laid, will perhaps give a further boost to India's development.
All right, Dibendu.